In this video, I am going to guide you on how you can create multiple webmail accounts. Okay, how you can create like 5 to 10 webmail accounts. And I am going to use this control panel called Hestia Control Panel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give me some like, and also leave a comment or a suggestion at the comment section. Now, when you check the first comment and also at the description, you are going to see my course on how you can create an email server or an SMTP server using 2 strategies. And this course is on Udemy. Go and check it out. Let's get into it. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to use this control panel called Hestia. So I have made a video on how you can install this Hestia control panel on a VPS server. Alright, so you can check that video out. I'll leave the link at the description. Make sure you check it out. Now all you have to do is click on the mail section. Then just click on add mail domain. Okay, you should add a mail domain, and this I already have a mail domain added. So all I have to do is just click on this plus sign over here. Alright, now if you don't know how to add a mail domain, I have created a video on how you can create an email server with Hestia Control Panel. I'll leave the link at the description. You can check that video out as well. Okay, then you have to write the name of your email. So let's say admin. Then you have to click on this icon to generate a new password. Now we have to copy these details and save it. Alright, so I'm going to paste my my username or my email. I'm going to copy my password and I'm going to paste this. Okay, now I am going to copy my host. Okay, and I'm going to save that as well. Then I'm going to copy my ports. Okay, SMTP port. I can copy these 2 over here. Then I am going to paste this. Alright, then after everything is okay, I just have to click on save. And now you can see it's done. This one webmail created. I'm going to create like 3 webmails, and after that I am going to test all. So stick around. So click back. Okay, and you can see I have 2 webmails over. I already created this in my previous video. Now I'm going to click on add mail account once again. Alright, and I'm going to use something else like help. Okay, at my domain, okay, my email domain, which is this one, and I'm going to click on this to generate a password. So I'm going to copy the email and I'm going to keep it safe. Okay, so this, I'm going to paste this. I'm going to copy the password. I'm going to paste it. As for the port and the host, they are the same. Okay, all right. Then I'm going to click on save. That has been created as well. I'm going to click back, or better so you can continue from there. You can see there are 3 now. So add mail account once again. I'm going to write something like business, anything. You can write anything. Okay, I'm going to generate a password. I'm going to copy the details somewhere. So this, paste, copy the password, paste. I'm going to copy the host and the port. I can continue to do this and more because I'm going to click on save. I can continue to do this over and over again. You understand? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to test those account that you created, the webmail account you created. So I'm going to click back over here. Then I'm going to click back once again. And now I am going to click on this paper airplane over here to open the webmail. Okay, so I have to log out from the existing one. So now we created this, okay, these 2 webmails. Okay, so you are going to test it. I'm going to copy the email. I'm going to paste it here. Back here I'm going to copy the password and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to click on login. And you can see we have logged in, and this is the email. Okay, I am going to log out once again. Then I'm going to log in into the other one, which is the business. I'm going to copy this, paste this, back here, copy this and paste it as well and click on login. All right, so as you can see, that's it. Now let me test. Okay, but before I test, I'm going to do a little settings here. I'm going to click on settings over here. I'm going to the identities and I'm going to click on create. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sender name. So let's say Sasmedia here. Then I think the email should be the same email. Sorry. So the email. Then I'm going to write Sasmedia here. So whenever I send an email, they should see Sasmedia. I'm going to copy the same email and I'm going to paste it at the reply to section. All right, and I'm going to click on save, and you can see successfully saved. Right, good. So now let's compose a message. I'm going to click on compose, and let's enter the email that you want to send these emails to. Enter. Now you see write a subject, and the subject will be just a test. All right, then so this is the content. We are just testing this webmail. We can even add an attachment, so I can click on add attachment, then you can add. So I'll make a special video on how you can send bulk emails, okay, using the webmail, right? So I'm going to click on send email and let's see the magic, right? So you can see message sent successfully. So I'm going back to my Gmail. All right, so as you can see, Sasmedia, that is the sender name. Okay, just a test. I'm just going to open this. You can see sender name. All right, and this is the subject and this is the body. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple webmails, and we just tested it. Okay, so if you want to learn how you can install Hestia control panel on your VPS server, okay, I have a full video that will guide you through. If you want to learn how to create an email server in order to add your mail domain, I have a video as well. I'll leave the link at the description, and that is it. Now if you want me to create a special video for you, just leave it in the comment section and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.